don't know what is eating this corn. Oh. I don't know. Guys, good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, if you are coming for the first time, please subscribe and don't forget to turn your post notification button. So, on today's video, I'm a farmer for today. So, we're going to the farm. So, you guys are coming with me. Let's get it. I'm a farmer. Classic bougie ratchet. Classic farmer life. Oh, you know. Let's go. Yeah, guys. We are at the farm. Oh yeah, okay, open the door now. Your face should not be afraid. My brother is afraid of camera. Okay, I'm taking the camera. I'm not putting the camera on you. Okay. Wait. Okay. Hit the farm. Come. There's corn here, so nobody in this house should tell me that I should break corn or share corn for them. Anybody in this corn should come down here to get corn by themselves. Okay. Yeah, we still have cassava, but cassava are not growing. I don't know what's wrong with the cassava. Yeah. Could you come and check this one? This one's strong. Eh? It's not strong. Okay. Sorry, oh. I need it. It's not that strong, but it's almost there. Okay. So we are the farm. Okay. Hey guys, we're at the farm now. Okay, it's not really that big, so it's not something like very big, not big farm, but something. We planted corn. You see what you're doing. Let me have video into I get what you planted corn. Let me keep it personal. There's corn. Come and see, we have okra. Imagine. Ew! Oh my god, this picture is tricky. See? There's okra. There's cassava. No, you know nothing much, but corn. It's corn season. So after corn has gone, after corn has gone, we enter another plant. We plant another things. Maybe you know. No? Okay. Oh. But there are some things that are eating the corn. Eh? Squirrel. Yeah, I don't know what is eating this corn. Oh. I don't know. Something is entering the farm, and I don't know if I'm seeing it clearly. Something is entering this farm and eating the corn up. Like, no, they don't have conscience. So, someone's about to plant corn at the end of the day. They're eating everything. What kind of animal is this? Guys, what do you think? They are hustling food. They see they are hustling. If I see they are hustling food, then I'm not videoing. No, I'm not. No, I'm not videoing you. Don't be afraid.
The camera.
Okay.
Oh, you don't carry bag.
But this one we can't eat it already. You can't eat it again now. You don't know what kind of animal. See now, this corn is now waste. So guys, later we set trap in the farm to catch the animal. So hey guys,
come. They should bring. I said they should give light, but I don't know what made them to stop. I said maybe because they notice you are coming, they now stop.
Don't mind Nepa. See my hand.
You know, that time we were telling you anti
Right.
gifts. There's light, there's light. I see
And
guys.
if we think there was light, I should come. I should come down. There is no light. Please, there is no light. Oh, tired.
I'm telling you, that time that you and Viv came, they not stop bringing light. We're not like, where's none of this? Even the time we came, the time we back and come, they stop bringing light.
Are you serious?
I was like, I didn't know we are coming. I'll be what?
So guys, I'm sweating. I'm sweaty. But it's time to go home. Going home very soon. So there's no corn. We did not harvest anything. Only clear the grass. So we didn't harvest because the corns are not strong. As you can see, they are not strong at all. So no harvesting for today. But I'm sure by this weekend, most of them will be strong the way I see them. And even the okra is too strong, so we can't eat them again. But they are very strong now because we left them for some time. We did not come and pluck them on time, so they are strong. So this one is coming up now. I'm hungry. Time has gone. I'm hungry. Trying to go home and freshen up and look for food to eat. Oh. So guys, please subscribe, turn on your post notification bell, like this video, comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe. Peace.